this love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Will you give me something that I can give you here? Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this eye makeup look. This is a very halo rose gold kind of a makeup look, and I really hope you guys like this look. Today after a long time I would be giving voiceover in my video. That is, I'm not talking in front of the camera because I'm recovering from a very bad viral infection and I'm really not in a position to talk much. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So for my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and with a flat liner brush I would be applying it all over my brows. And this brow pomade is very different from the other brow pomade or powders or pencils that I've previously used, and I must say indeed it's a really good investment. And the look that I got from using this pomade is very different from the looks that I used to get earlier. So yeah, if you want to invest, then you can definitely invest in this brow pomade. So my this side brow is done, and the other side brow I will be doing behind the camera. And for the primer, or the eyeshadow primer, I'm using this Essence I Love Stitch eyeshadow base, and using a concealer brush I would be blending it all over my lids, taking care that I do not disturb the brows, and blending it properly. For setting it, I am using this K Beauty HD setting powder in the shade Olive, and I really love setting my eyeshadow primers because I think this makes the base really smooth and the eyeshadow application very easy. For the eyeshadow, I'm taking this Beauty Creations Elsa palette, and first I will be using this light peachy brown shade, and with this Pro Art concealer blender brush I would be applying it in the crease area, a bit higher up than the crease area because I do have hooded eyes. And this would be my transition shade, so I'm applying it also on the lower eyelid area because I had to apply it, and thought that I would be applying on both the upper and the lower lid in one go. Next I would be taking this burnt orangish brown kind of shade, and with the help of the tapered blending brush from Pro Art I would be packing the color in the outer and the inner corners of my upper eyelid. And since it's a tapered blending brush, so it really helps in this compact application, and it doesn't need to be too precise, but yeah, I was just trying to pack the colors nicely, so in order to get the desired intensity. Also I am joining this the color on the outer and the inner corner in using a bridge kind of thing. I don't know, I'm really not getting a good word for it. And I would be going with the eyeshadow over and over again till I get this desired intensity of the color. I really wanted to show how I was packing this color, and next I would be using this previous concealer blending brush to blend this color with that of the transition shade. I was really going over and over again. I really wanted to show it how I was doing it. Next I would be taking this dark brown shade from the same palette, and I would be applying this on the outer V, the thing that I had created with my transition shade, and I would be blending it with the previous this burnt orangish brown color. And also I would be applying this color in the innermost corner of my eyelid and blending it with the previous color. I think this really gives a good transition in both the outer and the inner corners, and also the color, I mean the look comes more together, because otherwise with the previous color the look, it was looking very plain and not that blended. So I was trying to get nice ombre kind of look, and then finally I would be again blending everything with the previous transition shade. Next I would be taking this previous orangish burnt orange color again, and then I would be applying it in this crease area, so that to make the blending look very nice and nice and not very harsh and all well blended and creaseless. Next I would be taking this Wet n Wild photo focus concealer in the shade medium tawny, and I would be looking straight into the mirror to mark the upper boundary of my halo that I'm gonna create. This I'm doing so because I have hooded eyes, and generally what people do is that make this upper border at the crease, but since because of this extra fold of skin my crease gets hidden behind that, and so I really need to look into the camera, but into the mirror, look straight and see where I can make my false crease kind of thing. And then I would be making an inverted funnel kind of an halo and cleaning this area with the concealer, where I'm going to apply my next shimmery shades. This shape I'm making because the light probably gets reflected from the lid in that direction. I don't know, I'm not sure, I'm just guessing. Next I'm taking this peachy shimmery shade, and I'm using this flat brush from Wet n Wild. I did not wet it with the setting spray, but the brush picked up the color really nicely, and I was really happy with the way it was getting deposited. I was really happy with the how the shimmers looked on my eyelid, and yeah, it did take a bit of effort for me. I mean, if had I used a setting spray on the brush, then probably the shimmer pigments would have gotten applied more nicely. But nevertheless, I was trying out different techniques, and makeup is all about that. You don't have to follow a particular set of rules, right? Okay, jokes apart. So I'm applying this, taking my own sweet time to applying the shimmer till I'm really happy with the shimmer and how the light gets reflected from it. Next I'm taking this brown shimmery shade from the same palette, and I am taking this small flat liner brush, and I am applying it on the outer borders of the halo, because otherwise previously what it was, it looked very contrasting, this light peach shade and the brown shade. So I wanted that good transition from peach to brown, and so I applied this brown transition. And I think this look now comes more put together, and it is looking nice, I guess. So I mean, far better than what it was previously looking. I was not intending to do that, but then after I applied this brown shimmery shade, I really liked how it turned out to be. Next I'm taking this orange brown shade again, the previous shade, and I'm applying it all over the lower lid space area. Next, taking this dark brown shimmery shade, I am taking this Wet n Wild flat shader brush, and I'm applying it all over the lid. But I think for the precise application, I had to change my brush, and I'm using that same previous brush on the BH Cosmetics, the liner brush, but it also helps in this application of shimmers. For cleaning up the outer corners and to get a more sharp look, I'm using a concealer to clean the jagged edges. And I again applied the concealer because I really wanted a smooth blending in the outer part, and I blended it with the concealer brush. Taking this Inglot AMC Gel Eyeliner in the shade 77 or Jet Black, I'm drawing a wing in the outer corner, and you guys must be knowing, I think I've told this many times, that
this is the most dreaded part for me. Initially it was the brows, and the previous it was the brows, but now I think brows are easier as compared to making a wing eyeliner on my hooded eyes. So with one single stroke I initially made the wing, and then after I made the wing I lined my upper lash line and connected it with the wing. And I was really taking my own sweet time to do that, because you know what, this eyeliner on a hooded eyes can actually make or break the entire look. Next, taking this PAC Kohl liner, I would be lining my lower waterline. Taking this Miss Claire Studio Bronze and Highlight Palette, I would be taking this highlighter shade, and with a pencil brush, I would be highlighting my inner corners. And I would be using this same highlighting shade to highlight my brow bones. Before using the mascara, I would be curling my lashes a bit. And then for the mascara, I'm taking this KIKO Milano sculpting mascara to be used on my lashes. And I know the face as usual looks very weird, but you know what, I just saw a video in which Huda Kattan was saying the more weird your face looks while applying mascara, the better it gets applied. But nevertheless, my face looks really funny.
I did the falsies and the rest of the face makeup behind the camera, and this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and if you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new makeup tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and bye bye. I love you all.